TEAM2100 is all about a project of looking after London's infrastructure around the river. So they've taken all the assets, including the Thames barrier, right down to walls, and how you prioritise what needs to be done for the future to avoid flooding.
The biggest challenge of the program has been transforming the culture of people in order to have a new approach. Internally within the program has been very successful, but it's also the interface with other areas of our respective organizations.
The most innovative approach on our program is definitely the digital transformation piece. So from where we started early in the program, we were kind of using spreadsheets, and now we're very much about the Internet of Things, GIS, automated processes, and that's been a huge part of the efficiencies that we've been able to deliver.
What we really liked was the whole holistic nature of the project, where you've integrated client, contractor, consultant, brought them all together working as a team, working towards a uniformed view so that the project progressed successfully.
Because it's a program, we have elements of completion, but it's an ongoing program. It's a great sense of satisfaction seeing what we are achieving about protecting London from flooding.